Yeah, everybody couldn't find it. Yeah, everybody couldn't find it. Found it. Found it. Damn, Dad, you like this movie? Remember? SpongeBob, remember the movie? Look, this is how they did it. When they're in the water, remember? Look.
Hair from a yak.
Look.
This is from a yak, and we built
Look.
a double-sized version.
This is how they did. Remember that part where they were that guy? They see SpongeBob and Patrick, and then he takes them back. He's swimming in the water.
On Hasselhoff.
See? Remember? Look, this is how they did it. Look.
We didn't want to
They made like that. Look, they made that 3D sculpture. What? Which one? The top, the brown one? Which side? Oh, vaping. This is like a vape pen.
Isn't that for a mechanical pencil, you idiot?
No, it's a vape pen.
I feel like it is for a vape.
This is a vape.
No, it's fucking not, bro.
It's a Jules vape.
No, it's not, bro. Are you freaking idiot?
Nah, look, watch, smoke's gonna come out, look.
You fucking idiot. Are you blind?
See, look.
It feels like it's a mechanical pencil. It's for a pencil, you freaking idiot. It's like this pencil. It's this pencil, you idiot. Are you blind?
Nah. It's a vape. It's a Jules vape.
No, it's freaking not.
Hit a blinker? Nah, I'm just kidding. Deji, you think you can hit a blinker? Nah, you might green out. Never mind.
You fucking idiot. I'm too young.
It's gonna send you off the planet. You're gonna green out.
I know.
You wanna see how a blinker works? The blinker? Deji, if you ever don't, and never mind. But if you do start smoking, when you're older, if you do, if you don't, it's fine. But if you do, be cautious, okay? Because if you take too much, careful. Just go to sleep, or eat something, drink some water, or chill out. But don't get too high, because when you don't get too high,
I know. I can tell.
you know what it is, getting too high.
I don't know what fully it is. I know some of them.
Like smoking. What is weed? Do you know what that is?
It's like it comes from a flower.
What is it about? What do you know about it?
It looks like a cigarette though. And also that how do I say it? Some people smoke, some don't. So when some little kids cannot smoke because they're too young.
Some people smoke at 8 years old. You know that?
What the fuck? How? What the hell?
Yeah, some people a long time ago when it was illegal. When it was illegal, some people were smoking it at a young age, like 7 or 8.
Bro, they're too freaking young, bro.
How?
I can tell they are too young to smoke. Are you completely blind?
What do you mean? All because they're too young to smoke, bro. Yeah.
You fucking idiot. You're dumb. I'm just saying. I feel like you're causing the scene in here, cause I'm recording.
Yeah, but that's how it happens. Some people did at a young age.
They need to go to therapy. I'm serious.
It's because their uncle gave it to them or their brother gave it to them. That's why.
Yeah, the older brother needs to go to therapy though. No, wait. Oh
He
shit.
doesn't.
Oh shit, I'm blind. How would you know if they don't need to go to therapy?
Cause they're smoking weed. That helps them. Well, it doesn't help them. But
I know it doesn't help them. But also it's a bad thing.
I mean, it is actually. Damn, it looks fried as shit.
I know, I could tell. It been asking me questions about what is weed, what is something. I don't know. Some kids are too young to smoke at the young age of 7 or 8.
What about 9?
I don't know. They would get arrested.
It's not illegal no more. There's people can smoke anywhere now.
I know. I could tell.
Alright, let's talk about something else.
Oh shit, thanks. They're wearing shorts. That's it. Bye.